Hi everyone, welcome to Dictation Week. This is Monday's dictation for you. Make sure you've got the word dictation and the date, which is the 31st of August. So it's 31/8/2020. We've got two sentences today. I want you to remember one finger space, capital letter at the start, full stop at the end, and you write across the page until you get to the end. If you need to go, you go to the next line, back to the beginning, across the page, okay? Not all over the page like I've been seeing, guys. You need to now work on your setting out, okay? All right, the first sentence has 5 words. Pardon me. My friend was the winner. My friend was the winner. 5 words. So we can break that down into the first 2 words. My friend. Now I'm looking for the word my in this one. My friend. Was. Now you know how much we practice was? Was the winner. Now the winner is one of our spelling words. So let's go back. My friend was the winner. Okay. Second sentence, a bit longer. My friend goes to another school. My friend goes to another school. So that's 6 words. So let's take the first 2 words like we did in the first sentence. My friend. Goes to another school. Another is a spelling word, so it's got the sound at the end. So I'll say that again. Make sure you've got all the words. My friend goes to another school. Check your capital letters and your full stops. If you need to make a change, if it doesn't look right, cross it off and write underneath your change. Thank you.